Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the essentials: tables, doubles, and a preferred strategy so you can operate fast. Once ready, split each factor into easy chunks, for example 47 into 40 plus 7 and 63 into 60 plus 3. Start multiplying the largest, simplest pairs first: 40 times 60, then 40 times 3, then 7 times 60, finally 7 times 3, so you create predictable partial products. Make sure to hold each partial in order in your mind or jot quick markers. Now you carry out the detailed execution by multiplying each chunk efficiently and combining results. When one factor is even, have one number and double the other to keep products small. That reduces error. For two-digit cross products, do tens times tens, tens times units, and units times units, then combine with careful carries. You should check intermediate carries as you go so they don't accumulate. Once a partial sum is stable, lock it mentally and proceed to the next set of partials to avoid backtracking. To finish, sum your partial products methodically and manage carries as they occur so the final total is accurate. Once done, perform a quick magnitude check by rounding both factors and comparing to your result. This flags major errors fast. If the number feels off, isolate and recompute the single largest partial you formed, or perform a reverse check by dividing the final answer by one factor to see if you recover the other. Make sure to slow briefly for that recheck to correct any slip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.